given away, and now Fer Lopez can chase forward again. Fer Lopez, Mane through, might be urged to shoot on his own. Fer Lopez! He didn't need the options in the box, went alone and took it brilliantly. The start Wolves needed, and they're 1-0 up. Now Mane out on the left again, up to the edge of the box, just trying to turn. Mane might go for goal himself, deflected on the way through. Turn and shoot from Manetzi. Chachua on the right, plays down to Rodrigo Gomez. Referee allows the advantage. Chachua up to the edge of the box, will play it across nicely. Flick back from Jimenez.
Kind of Preston. He's man-to-man marking Fer Lopez. He's gone straight on, he's following him everywhere. Rodrigo
Gomez turns inside the penalty area, pulls it back nicely. Mane! Nearly a brilliant finish. Andre trying to switch play, and it's lucky to get over to Armstrong, who can carry it through. Armstrong, Jimenez plays it back through. Armstrong!
Oh, what a goal.
Absolutely brilliant. Wolves passing it through Preston's defence, and the layoff between Armstrong and Jimenez. Mane plays it through. Doyle one touch, falls out. Fer Lopez. His second of the game. Wolves third, and it's 3 goals. It's going to be 3 points for Wolves. Dealt with by Wolves at the back for now. The edge of the D, the long-range strike, and it's in. Jordan Thompson pulls one back for the home side.